What if I told you that the biggest problem with high-end printing, the outrageous cost, the clogged print heads, the slow speeds, is about to be solved? For 2026, the rules have changed. We've gone behind the scenes, tested the prototypes, and crunched the data to find the one machine that delivers professional quality without the professional price tag. In this exclusive first look, we're revealing the top 5 inkjet printers under $1,500 that will dominate 2026. The results will surprise you. Number 1. Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850. For printing, scanning, copying, and faxing it up to legal size, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 tank-based inkjet AIO is hard to beat. It delivered suitably fast performance and high-quality output on our tests, and its cost per page, CPP, is just 2 cents for both monotext and standard color pages. It also offers robust paper handling, including 2 250-sheet drawers, a 50-sheet rear tray, and auto-duplexing for printing, plus a 50-sheet auto-duplexing automatic document feeder, ADF, for scanning, for printing, scanning, copying, and faxing it up to legal size. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 tank-based inkjet AIO is hard to beat. It delivered suitably fast performance and high-quality output on our tests, and its cost per page, CPP, is just 2 cents for both monotext and standard color pages. It also offers robust paper handling, including 2 250-sheet drawers, a 50-sheet rear tray, and auto-duplexing for printing, plus a 50-sheet auto-duplexing automatic document feeder, ADF, for scanning. Number 2. Brother MFC-J6955DW. The Brother MFC-J6955DW offers a solid combination of print speed and paper handling for both printing and scanning at up to tabloid size, plus good enough output quality for most business needs. For scanning, the printer offers an automatic document feeder, ADF, that can hold 50 sheets of up to tabloid or A3 size paper. Even better, it offers single-pass duplex scanning, meaning it can scan both sides of each page at once, for faster copying, scanning, and faxing. As expected for any tank printer, the MFC-J6955DW scores well on running cost, too, at 1 cent per page for a standard letter-size monochrome black page and 4.9 cents for a color page. The MFC-J6955DW is speedy and can scan both sides of a page at once, making it a compelling choice for small offices and workgroups who need to print on large paper sizes. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Pro ET16600. The wide-format EcoTank Pro ET16600 wireless all-in-one offers fast cartridge-free printing with easy-to-fill supersized ink tanks. You can save up to 80% with low-cost replacement ink bottles versus standard capacity color laser toner cartridges, about 2 cents per color ISO page versus 14 cents with cartridges. Precision Core heat-free technology delivers high-volume, print shop quality output. This all-in-one with Epson DURA bright pigment-based ink delivers vibrant prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches and scans up to 11 inches by 17 inches. Each replacement ink set includes enough ink to print up to 6,000 pages. Plus, there's zero cartridge waste and very low energy consumption. The ET16600 features a 500-sheet front tray paper capacity and rear specialty paper feed, plus a 4.3-inch color touchscreen and hands-free voice-activated printing. Asterisk the NPD Group, Total Channel Tracking Service, US and Canada, Inkjet SF/MF printers, refillable ink tank included, based on units, February 2019 to January 2020. Supertank printers are defined as refillable ink tank printers. Promo valid for ET5150, ET5170, ET5180, ET5800, ET5850, ET5880, ET16600, or ET16650 printers purchased from October 1, 2021 to March 31, 2025. Number 4. Canon imagePROGRAF Pro. 11 pigment-based INK system plus chroma optimizer. The 11 pigment-based ink system provides a broad color gamut and improved gloss uniformity for superb glossiness and anti-bronzing. The included Chroma Optimizer ink enhances glossiness, flattens the print surface and expands color range. Wide color gamut for exceptional image clarity. The Lucia Pro 2 ink system helps you achieve an improvement in color reproduction, image clarity, and enhanced darker areas. It faithfully reproduces colors in dark areas crucial for printing works of art. Professional print and layout software. This powerful software provides professional photographers with intuitive printing solutions. A standalone application that also can be used as a plug-in from Digital Photo Professional or Adobe software to support seamless output. Printer management solutions. Every detail in your print must be perfect. Why not have the same obsession for your workflow? Number 5. HP OfficeJet 250 Wireless Mobile. Print, scan, and copy from nearly anywhere with this portable all-in-one. Detect and connect to a nearby OfficeJet 250 and print using Bluetooth Smart or Wi-Fi Direct. Ideal for mobile professionals and telecommuters who need a high-quality, reliable, portable all-in-one they can take virtually anywhere. Quickly print, copy, and scan multi-page documents hands-free with the 10-page automatic document feeder and color touchscreen. This durable, compact all-in-one fits in your car, backpack, and more for convenient printing anywhere. Start printing right out of the box with quick and easy setup. Get the highest page yields of any in-class all-in-one using original HP cartridges. Plug in your AC power source to charge within 90 minutes while the printer is off. And there you have it. The future of affordable, high-quality printing is brighter than ever. Whether you're a photographer, a small business owner, or just someone who demands the best, one of these printers is your key to perfection. Ready to make your choice? All the official product links, pre-order pages, and the latest prices are waiting for you in the description below. If this exclusive sneak peek saved you time and money, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next in-depth review. The future is printing in 2026.